everyone and welcome to the Jazz Shaz. Today we're gonna be learning how to tie a shoelace. The materials you'll be needing is a paper plate, an old shoelace, a pencil, and a shoe that has laces. So you will be needing the paper plate because you can't just carry around a shoe. It will be too not clean. And you can do the paper plate anytime, anywhere. So let's begin. First, you take that pencil and punch 2 holes like this. Make them big, small, however you want. Then you put one side over here, take it out, then the other side here, it's here, and take it out. Now, we need to see if they're even. See. Is this even? No. Is this even? No. Let's see. A little bit more. Yeah, this is even. So, let's begin. First, you do an X. Take this, put it in the hole, take it out, and pull, just like this. Then you make a bunny ear with a tail, a teeny tail hole. You make this a loop kind of a thing, which is gonna be the other ear. Take this, and pull. Now I'm gonna do it the second time, but without the directions. But I'll be really slow. Voila. Okay, now that we did it 2 times on the plate, we're gonna do it 2 times on the shoe. Let's begin. So, like this. I'll do it this way. X, take out, pull, bunny ear with a tail, teeny tail, hole, loop kind of a thing. Take this and the other ear and then pull. And now I'll do it one more time. X, take it out to the hole, pull, bunny ear with tail, across, loop kind of a thing. Take both of these and pull. Okay, thanks for watching. Be sure to give a thumbs up.